All right, we are at Gateway Arch National Park in St. Louis, Missouri, which is now the smallest national park in the system of the 63. We're going to be going up in one of those here in a couple hours. Right now we're going to go in and roam around the visitor center and check everything out. Stay a little warm on this cold St. Louis morning. Alright, so we've gotten through security here. You have to empty everything out, just like at an airport. Go through the magnetometer, come over here to pick up our American Beautiful Pass for the year, for the trip, and take care of important things that need to be taken care of before we start the museum.
The boarding pass tells you which tram car number you're going to be riding both up and down in. So remember that number. You unfortunately don't get to keep these boarding passes. Does anybody have any questions?
I can't keep the boarding pass.
No, unfortunately not.
Oh my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country.
The bill that I am presenting to you will be known as a civil rights bill.
Alright, we are at the top of the Gateway Arch. And Busch Stadium, home of the St. Louis Cardinals. Looking down at the old courthouse.
I always ask because sometimes people are in a hurry, so raise your right hand and repeat after me. I hereby pledge
I hereby pledge
to take care
to take care
of my national parks
of my national parks
because they belong to me
as they belong to me
and to all Americans,
and all Americans.
and that I will tell my friends about them
And I will tell all my friends about them
and visit as many as I can.
and visit as many as I can.
Go. Huh? Yeah, good for you.
So we finished up at the Gateway Arch National Park and found a little surprise that we've been looking for and not have to do it on the internet. We might be in trouble because we found an Ikea. It's time to renovate the RV. All right, so we have finished in St. Louis at the Gateway Arch and went to the Ikea over there. Had to do it. And now we are back on the Illinois side, and we are at Cahokia Mounds historic site, a large Indian mound. So we're going to roam around here and take a hike up on one of these things, and we'll show you just how many stairs we're about to deal with. All right, here we go up these stairs. This is the largest prehistoric earthwork in the Americas. 100 feet to the top. Here we go. So we seem to have a method or a theme here of finding the world's largest things. Last year is the world's largest soda bottle, and then we've seen the world's largest fire hydrant, we saw the world's largest Superman, and now the world's largest ketchup bottle.